Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Teal Truck Center YouTube channel. My name is Jim Teal, Teal Truck Center out of Pleasant Valley, Iowa. So guys, we are a truck and SUV and cargo van dealer on the very eastern side of the state in an area called the Quad Cities. We're located on Highway 67, only 2 miles off of Interstate 80. And guys, if you are in the market for cargo vans, do check us out at tealtrucks.com. That's THIEL trucks.com. Today I want to give you a walk around on this 2014 Ram 3500 ProMaster. This is the high roof and the extended version. It's the biggest, baddest one you can get. I'm going to give you a walk around and show you what this beautiful van has to offer. Again, 2014, this is actually a Carfax certified, one owner. Overall in really nice shape. Body is not all beat up or anything. I'm sure there's a small scratch or something somewhere, but overall really nice shape. Again, it's the high roof, does have a backup camera. Again, it is the 1 ton, the long version. Let me open this up. Another nice thing about this one, it's already comes with the walk-through bulkhead, wood floored, already done. Really nice shelving package on both sides. Guys, I'm 6 foot and I still have probably, I don't know, 8 or 9 inches to go to the roof. It is huge in here. Do just about anything you want with it. As now, I'll open up the front. Got a nice slider door, which is nice. This thing's pretty decked out for a cargo van. We got cloth bucket seats. This one actually has navigation, has backup camera, power windows, power locks, tilt wheel. I believe tilt wheel and cruise control for sure. There's all your original books. Again, guys, this is a Carfax certified, one owner. Overall in great shape. I mean, you're gonna have little rock chips and stuff like that. Tires are better in the back than the front. Not perfect, but they got some life left in them. Again, guys, 2014, only 98,000 miles. It is the long wheelbase, tall van. Beautiful, beautiful one owner, ready to work, ready to make you some money. Go to tealtrucks.com, THIEL trucks.com, or just give us a call, 563-424-2000. Till next time, have a good one.